Not every side hustle takes hours or a big investment. In this video, discover 5 micro-income ideas you can start today. Number 5 might already be part of your daily routine, so watch until the end. First, try designing a mini digital toolkit on a topic you know well, like starter tools for new freelancers or free AI tools for students. You can use Notion to organize links, tips, and screenshots, then sell your toolkit on Gumroad. These toolkits are quick to make and help others get started fast. You do not need a lot of content, just clear, helpful information, and maybe a checklist. People like buying small guides that save them time. This is a simple way to earn extra money without building a website. If you want to add more value, include a few screenshots or a short video. Toolkits can be updated easily, so you can keep improving them as you learn more. This is a flexible way to start earning micro-income. Recommendation number 2. Sell your voice for micro-tasks like reading voicemail greetings, YouTube intros, or audiobook samples. You can list your service on Fiverr or Voquent and use your phone to record in a quiet space. This is a fun way to earn if you enjoy reading aloud. Many people want a real human voice for short projects, not just computer voices. You do not need special equipment, just clear speech and a quiet background. Remember, number 5 is something you might already do every day, so keep watching for that tip. Start with small jobs and build your profile as you go. You can set your own prices and choose which tasks to accept. Voice microtasks are a quick way to make extra dollars in your free time. And number 3, make no-design posters or wall art using simple quotes, affirmations, or study goals. Use Canva or Creative Fabrica for free fonts and templates, then upload your designs to Etsy or Redbubble. This is perfect if you want to sell digital products without needing art skills. Just focus on making the text easy to read and helpful for school, home, or an office. Many people want simple motivational posters for their walls. And remember, the last idea in this video could turn your reading habit into cash, so stay tuned. You can create several designs in one sitting and list them online right away. Digital posters are easy to deliver and require no shipping. This is a fast way to start earning with just a few clicks. Number 4. Build a tiny FAQ library on a topic you know, like homeschool tips or beginner fitness. Answer 5 to 10 common questions in a clear, short PDF and sell it on Payhip or Buy Me a Coffee. You can even make versions for different groups, like teens or busy parents. Keep your answers simple and easy to understand. People appreciate quick guides that solve their problems. This is a helpful way to share your knowledge and earn micro-income at the same time. You can update your FAQ library as you get more questions. Offering different styles or adding visuals can make your guide stand out. Tiny FAQ libraries are always in demand for popular topics. Finally, turn your reading habit into affiliate income by sharing book notes or summaries online. If you already read nonfiction or self-help books, write a short post with 3 takeaways and link to the book using Amazon Associates or bookshop.org. When someone buys through your link, you earn a small commission. Affiliate income from reading is easy to start and does not require a big audience. Just be honest about your opinions and keep your notes clear. Over time, your book recommendations can add steady dollars to your savings or even your 401k. You can post your summaries on social media or a simple blog. This is a great way to share what you learn and make money from something you already do. Even short posts can help others decide what to read next. As a recap, here are 5 smart ways to earn with micro-income streams. First, design and sell mini digital toolkits. Second, offer your voice for quick paid tasks. Third, create simple quote posters as wall art. Fourth, build and sell FAQ-style guides. And fifth, turn your book notes into affiliate content. Try one today. Small steps can add up to real results for your savings or even your 401k. Check back on this channel, the Zennial Files, for future advice.